Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for both budding videographers and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike. We found the DJI Mini 4K Fly More combo, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The DJI Mini 4K is an incredibly compact drone that comes equipped with a stunning 4K UHD camera, making it a fantastic choice for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this drone doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use, allowing you to take to the skies without the usual bureaucratic hurdles. One of the standout features of this drone is its remarkable 4K Ultra HD camera, which is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. This ensures that your shots are smooth and professional looking, whether you're filming a sunrise, sunset, or even night scenes. The quality of the footage is simply impressive, and you can trust that you'll capture every detail in crystal clear resolution. For those who worry about weather conditions, this drone is designed to be resilient. With a wind resistance of up to 38 km per hour, it can handle challenging flying conditions, allowing you to maintain stable flight even in level 5 winds. The brushless motors enhance the power, enabling takeoff at altitudes of up to 4,000 meters, giving you the freedom to soar higher than ever before. Another great feature is the impressive 10 kilometers of HD video transmission. This means you can explore vast landscapes and capture stunning imagery without worrying about losing connection. The drone's anti-interference capabilities ensure a smooth flying experience, letting you focus on getting the perfect shot rather than technical issues. The DJI Mini 4K Fly More combo also comes with a full suite of accessories to enhance your flying experience. This includes 3 batteries, which provide a total maximum flight time of 93 minutes, a 2-way charging hub, a shoulder bag for easy transport, and additional items like a lanyard, landing pad, landing gear, and propeller guard. This comprehensive package ensures that you're well equipped for extended flights and various shooting scenarios. So, who is this drone suitable for? The DJI Mini 4K is perfect for adults, whether you're a hobbyist wanting to capture family events from a new perspective, a traveler looking to document your adventures, or a content creator in need of high-quality footage. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible for beginners, while the advanced features will certainly appeal to experienced pilots. In practical use cases, imagine capturing stunning footage during a family picnic at the park, or getting dynamic shots of your friends while hiking in the mountains. You might even use it for professional projects, like real estate photography or filming events. The versatility of this drone allows you to explore your creativity without limits. It's important to note that the DJI Fly app has been temporarily removed from Google Play due to platform compatibility issues. To ensure optimal use, make sure to download the latest version from the DJI official website. Additionally, always check local laws and regulations before flying to ensure a safe and compliant experience. In summary, the DJI Mini 4K Fly More combo is an exceptional drone that delivers high-quality performance in a compact design. With its impressive camera, extended flight time, and a variety of accessories, it opens up a world of possibilities for capturing stunning aerial footage. Thanks for watching. If this video